It is midnight now. I come back to the kiln stove. People are in working. You can see clear in lighting. This old man is working. You can see he used fire poker to give more oxygen inside. Then he put timber woods into stove to heating the ceramics. This is the natural way of ceramics production for 1,000 years. Every minute, the worker need check the fire, supervise the temperature, put more timber woods or fire poker to clear air. This process will last for 36 hours until temperature reach more than 1250 degree. During the time, laborers keep checking every stove. Next time I will bring you the moment of opening. Wish me good luck tomorrow.